Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not opening on Windows 11. If you click the Roblox apps and nothing happens or it crashes immediately, don't worry, we will go through a step-by-step fix to get you back in the game first. Let's dive in right in. So the first thing to try is super simple. um, Save your work and restart your computer. Here you can see this, the process is restart button, and once your PC reboots, try launching Roblox again. A fresh reboot often clears out temporary glitches. Then the next process is clear Roblox apps cache. Corrupted cache files can cause issues. Let's clear them. Press Win plus R and type this. You can type this and enter and go to, we'll open the Roblox folder, right click the version folder and delete it. Here you can see this, the version folder, and delete this folder. Now it takes some times. Now restart Roblox. This will force it to create new clean files. Now you can see this, the file Roblox folder is open. Sometimes Roblox needs admin permission to launch. Find the Roblox shortcut on your desktop or in Start. Right click it, choose and run as administrator. Here you can see this, run as administrator. If prompt, click yes to allow. This gives Roblox full access and may fix this issue. Missing system or driver updates can block Roblox. So press Win plus I shortcut. Then click on Windows Update. Here you can see this. Then click check for updates. Here you can see check for updates and install everything available. Also update your graphics driver using device manager. And also update your graphics drivers using device manager. Here you can see this, the device manager. Right click on device manager and now you can see this, the expand display adapters. Then right click your GPU and select update drive. Here you can see this, the update drive. Then search automatically for updates. After updating, reboot and try again. Now you can check. Here you can see this, it's running. Smoothly you can run this. So make sure your security software isn't blocked Roblox. So go to Windows Security. Then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click and click Allow an app through firewall. Now you can see this. Here you allow an app through firewall. Then make sure Roblox is checked for both private and public networks. If you are using a third-party antivirus, try disabling it temporarily and see if Roblox launches.